everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm gonna show you all how you can wipe your ass like a Bossman. So, this is my own wheel right here, and I got shit in them. I didn't wipe my ass very good. I did use toilet paper, but it not work very good for me. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this right here. These is like toilet paper, but these right here are wet. It's like a baby wipe or something like that. You pour them out like this. And you wipe your ass with it. It's wet. It feels good on your butt. And you wipe it really good. And if you don't do a good job, this is what's gonna happen right here. I got shit in my wheel. Not real good. So, this is what you're gonna do. Use this right here. If you don't want shit in your wheel. I hope that you all like this video. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe down below. Bye!